Mark Herchenroder, co-owner of the Bagel Shop. My friend Steve, high school friend, got in touch with me, and he owned the deli before I came in with him. And he just needed some help with my culinary skills and, you know, the work ethic with people and different sandwiches and different things we can do to the deli. And you know, ever since it's been working out. He's a great guy, and just love the drive, and the deli business is great. And do something for the community, maybe some you know, toy drives for the kids. You know, we'll do some benefits for breast cancer awareness, maybe. You know, do a couple of things like that. Bring something back to the community. You know, have the what's that? The rainbow donut. The rainbow donut. It's awesome. It's amazing. We do croissants. We do cookies. What's the other one we do? What's that? The brownie ball with marshmallows on top, M&Ms. Something different than any deli that you really get into. It's not just ham and cheese sandwiches.